Delightful, eventful.
Eventful. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, man. This market's been dude, it's still I mean shit, man. This last run just it got me, bro. I was like, oh my god, dude, we're still doing that. I think everybody was, but this is why I say, right? Like, and Drew, you heard me last time say that before, right, man? When I'm like, dude, whenever you get that run up consolidation, right? Like holding on to strong demand right here. This was the lowest point. Fuck, man, from Friday to the weekend, this whole week, right? Like it didn't do much. It just went sideways, man. Got gave us a nice little run up, then a nasty dump, which I think everybody at this point was already counting in. They already started to put their bear hats on and be like, all right, guys, we're going back down to bear season and 12K and 10K. But it was an eye opener that it still held, right? It still held its strong support, went sideways, right? Good reaction. Fuck, man. I mean, and then just broke off, obviously, on Friday and just did beautifully, man. Beautifully, beautifully. And then, of course, you know what happens after Friday, right? Just like every other Friday has been happening, the same thing. Once we run up like this, it just sideways, man. Sideways. All weekend, right? Like, I mean, again, scout these moves, yes, but just pretty much sideways action, man. And I think, again, as long as we continue to hold this, you might, continue to see a nice little stairway. Maybe Jack has the right idea, right? Maybe continue seeing a nice little stairway to heaven going up. As long as we're not breaking, strong support levels, right? And again, you can have these flash drops, but they're still holding. They're not just breaking support or demand zones. They're just holding, and we're just waiting, man. So even with that, we just said like 2 minutes ago, yeah, Asia's, had New Year, so it might be slow, man. Might still see some nice little sideways action. Um, I want to say now, right? We started to build a demand zone. I want to say since Friday, so look for these levels, I guess, for longs instead of catching it here like I did today, right? Haha. But you look for nice little levels like this where you really want to look for a nice strong bounce off of the nice little demand zone that we have here if you are going to long it, and if we continue to stay consolidating like this, 22 300s is always a good level. Starting to see some nice little peaks right here, 1 2 at about 22.5 as well. And then of course our resistance supply zone, I want to say about something like this. Supply, right? So look for those shorts, you bears. I want to say around there, right? So look, we're looking about, we might consolidate in between this 1,000, point zone, right? From 22.3 to 23.3. I mean, we've been doing it since Friday. We haven't really seen any strong moves. For it to kind of, when you can box it in like this, that's the beauty. This is why I like to kind of really put these in these zones, because then it gives you something to do, right? Like it gives you, if continue to play in this zone, which again can take days and weeks, then we can just look for those shorts off of that. Unless we get a nice breakout, then we're probably looking at a strong run up to the 24s. We've been creeping up right every step of the way. I mean, we played around the 20s for a nice, let me put this on a bigger time frame. There we go. Yeah, we played around the 20s for a nice while, right? We played there for almost a whole week before we finally broke up. Before that, we played around the 18s, right? Before we made a nice 2000K run up. We're still looking good, guys, man. I know a lot of you guys, like I said, are bears and you want to see this come tumbling down, but as long as she continues to just do that, stairway to heaven, I like to call it, right? When it's just consolidation, run up, then she can easily get to 25, 27, and it's just a matter of time, right? Daily wise, it's just that, man. Like playing the high leverage is risky, right? Because high leverage, nice nasty drop like from here to here can easily liquidate you if you're, especially if you're doing like isolated. I want to say, you easily hit negative 100 in any one of these drops. And I think even the entry I got earlier, again, bad entry, went down, straight down from there, was down to negative 100, almost 30, 150, but started creeping up, right? Now we're only down like almost, what, 60% or something like that, and still showing nice, signs of growth. So this market is still looking good, man. We definitely broke. Oh shit, we did break this. So this was this was the zone that we were looking at, right? Even last Sunday prep, we were focusing on that double bottom. I mean, excuse me, the double top, right? And we almost got it, man. I mean, shit, we did get a few days of just nasty rejection in this zone. Kept making us think that this was gonna happen, right? Because we had a nice Double top setup. Of course, we all know double top is your nice bearish pattern. But again, we broke, right? And look at the difference, right? Every time I show you guys these things, right? Like, look at our supply zone. Okay, look at the candle that breaks that supply zone, right? Like, look at the difference. When it did break, fuck, man, and it closed, almost full, right? Not much wick, not showing us that, it did go this low as far as 2080, but damn, went all the way up to 22 in one day. So it's, anything, it can go anywhere from here at this point, man. We also were looking at this resistance, which again is showing us that we did break. What was it at 22.4? I mean, fuck, man. Like the next clear resistance, I want to say it's about 20, almost 25, man. 20, 24, 24.4. And then of course you got your wicks up here, right, at about 25. So, look for this. Look for this zone next, right? If we can continue running up, of course we have this one right here, but I think we're here right now. If I'm not mistaken. Let me just push these to the right. So look, we're here now, right? At this one right here, which is a 22.6 level. Break that, right? We, did kind of wick out a little bit here, still holding. So if today, right, if we can still get some of this nice little run up today, we can use this as a support, and then obviously that next level, man. And this is, to me, I think would you know to me would show us that we're really getting to that bullish territory as far as seeing maybe a bull market, right? I always kept saying that if we at least get back to these 30 levels, back to where we naturally, right, we were there here for such a long time. um if we can get back to these levels, I think that'll be a good sign that we might start seeing, as crazy as it sounds, but a bullish market, man. It's definitely showing the signs, right? Like, not even, a few hours are running now. Now it's giving us days, man. And, if you see look at any bull market, right? Last time we had a nice bull market, you're gonna see plenty of days of green, right? And it's giving us that. And it's again, like, it's not something we want to call. Not used to saying it, but even in that paragraph of information that I put up the other day, again, I'll go over that again. Is the guy said it, right? Like, in that little paragraph of information, he was like, we might run into a bull market this year that we've never seen before, right? And I think we've all been seeing moves the past few days that we've never seen before, right? So that shit just keeps playing over and over in my head. Every time I keep, thinking of what the market's doing and trying to get a grasp, I'm like, damn, dude, this shit is really doing something that I've never seen it do before, right? So maybe the guy hit it on the money with what he said. And it's just doing that. So it's now it's just trying to find these levels, man. Like, trying to, again, you can always short this market. It's not the best play, obviously, to short, but you can always still find scalps. However, like, it's about finding that strong support whenever it does run up like this, right? Not chasing, finding, again. I chased it. I'm talking shit here, right? But I did chase this today, man. I was eyeing it. Me waiting for a nice pullback like this would have been obviously the best move. Not chasing when it's running up, right? But again, I'm still new to this. I'm still learning as we, continue to go. However, pullback, man. Wait for the pullbacks, right? When something runs up like this, even every time it runs up, there's always going to be a point where it sells off, right? And then it gives you a way better entry
Mm-hmm.
than you could have gotten. So, as long as we continue to hold this trend, I want to say, looks like it's squeezing. We're starting to get lower highs still, right here. Also, smaller trend as far as from here to here. We still have higher lows. So, squeezing, man. We all know what happens when it's squeezed, right? At a big pop or a big drop, I'm aiming for the pop, which is, again, why I kind of, aim for this entry. I was looking for that breakout, thinking we might have done it here, but, we'll see within the next few hours. Let's see if we can at least get out of this trade. If not, just follow it through, right? Like, I think stop loss is about down here, DCA is about here. So, we're down, not out. But we'll see how the market reacts, Might get a nice little pump. Might not even see anything there in Asia. We might still see something there in London, and we can still swing this to the next day as long as like I said, as long as we hold this demand zone, I think we should be okay on Bitcoin. What I'm aiming for maybe throughout the week. I mean, again, these things are just so overextended, right? Let's look at our RSI. Hold on. No, not that one. Stochastic. Okay, so yeah, everything is overextended, right? Look, we're overbought like crazy. Been up here for days, right? But I've said it before, just because it's up here, doesn't mean that these things can't play out. Because look, if you look at it, right, we were overbought right here. Like fuck me, man. And even though we were overbought all this time, which usually, lets you know that it's almost time for this thing to come down. Even though we were overbought all these days, right? Look, it's almost like a whole week we stayed up here. It was overbought right here, which meaning that all of this strong move up came here, right? So again, we're here now. Yes, we have a crossing, which usually indicates you're short, right? Like I think we've had it here. But again, on a bullish market like this, it's crossing. It's not, you had a day or two of it coming down, then found support, ran off to level three, freaking skyrocketed, right? So, this right now, does it really play into it? It's hard to say, man, because it's giving us that bearish mark where when you get a nice little crossover like this at the top is usually giving you a nice bearish indication that things might start coming down. But again, if it's been up here this long and it hasn't shown right much of support breaking or anything like that, then fuck, man, this thing is still rocket. As far as your trend, right? Trend as far as MACD oscillator, your trend, it's still showing uptrend, man. Um, had our crossing at about right here. Beautiful, man. Fuck. From there, if you got a nice crossing on your MACD, obviously you would have been up, right? Um, broke through that supply zone still, showed nice strong histogram, right? Showed a little bit of dying down. When we hit that resistance, which was that double top, but then pushed up strong momentum, and now it's just showing it dying down. Even though today is still, I mean, again, this candle just opened up half an hour ago, but it's looking pretty strong. Looking pretty good, guys. So, you know, next levels, next levels. I think as long as we stay here, for the next few days or break above, then look for that rejection. And I think this is probably where I'm gonna be looking to play the short, right? And I mean a swing short where, damn, I want to grab this dot. I want to play a swing short right on the right in here. There we go. So this will be the entry that I'm looking for this short, and I really want to kind of hold that and see how long that could play. As long as we don't get that, that momentum that the market just comes in and takes everybody's stop losses, right? Like the market loves to do that. So I think if we can withstand that, even here, right, even when we had our double top, grabbed a nice entry from here, it gave you a day or two of downtrend, right? Because it had such a just that strong resistance level before obviously it broke out. But I think we can still catch that, right? Even if it does decide it wants to break and do something that nobody expects, right? Which would be a nice run up to 30K, then shit, man. At least I think we will maybe catch some downtrend here, right? Like some kind of profit taking, so that'll be a good, I think, entry that I'm gonna put an alert on this too because I want to make sure that we don't forget about this. Locked it. Yeah, I want to make sure we don't forget about this possible short, swing short actually. Alright, and then once it touches, I want to make sure, yeah, bam, bam, crossing either way as long as it touches. I want to be alert on that. Alright, so we have an alert on that at least for possible short. If we do run up again, right to the 2025s, yeah, that's the one that I definitely feel pretty, at least confident or good in that I would definitely want to take for sure. Right now, shit. And let's start looking at the smaller time frame. I mean, yeah, we already have a little supply zone. We need a break on the 4 hour hourly. Um, ping ponging, right? As long as we stay boxed in this zone right now, we should be okay until we see the next real strong move that it wants to make. And Spy, man, damn. Wow, I was looking at Spy earlier. That's why I said damn because we broke out. Oh shit, let me erase these fibs. Let me go to daily on this. Bam, bigger screen. There we go. Right? We broke out today, I think, right? Well, we're still, yeah. As far as daily goes, yeah, we're still there. Shit, we gotta see tomorrow to see if she really broke out. But it's looking good, man. It's looking good. We saw this rejection, right? Set the nice little supply zone there. We saw this one last week. I want to say no. What was this? Was it last Tuesday? No, we were looking at it right here, right? So we were saying, yeah, if we get a rejection, I think we were looking at this a few days ago, and we were like, fuck, man, we got an exact rejection on that. Me and Brian were talking about it. But good reaction, right? Like we thought we were probably gonna see some red coming in the next few days. Come down to a nice little support on SPY, which of course, like I said, it would probably bring down our Bitcoin, and it did not. Man, it came down. Look, you have a strong little support right here, which we already had. Bounced a few times there, and boom, boom. There you go, right? So shit. Beautiful reaction, man. Like that's a really good reaction. If we can get a breakout from here, then yeah, I'm really looking at Bitcoin, man. Maybe making these 25K levels. 30 is it's not out of the question, right? Neither was 12 when everybody thought it was 12. So 30 again, anything is possible. I already told you guys.
We hit.
When it comes to yeah, go ahead.
We hit 12.
No, no, God no. Come
Oh,
on,
okay.
man. We didn't
I
hit
was like,
12, man.
what?
No, but I was saying how, everybody's still saying there's a possibility, right? Like 12,
Oh yeah, yeah,
anything is possible, right? So 30K is
yeah,
very possible, man. 30K is just not
yeah.
out of the question. You can easily hit 30K, you know? It's
And
just
25 is super easy.
Yeah, we're going
Just
to
I see that.
200K.
so we're going to 20K.
200.
Oh, 200K. Hell yeah, I wish. God
Yeah.
damn, that would be great. That would be fantastic, my man. That means all these investments, right? We were at discount prices, man. You guys didn't grab these discounts, bro. Oof, 15K, man. All right, let's look at Ethereum. See what Ethereum is doing. HUSDT. All right. So it's doing the booby action still.
Mhm.
Resistance, man. We got hella resistance right here. All right. So there goes our supply zone. But as long as it's running parabolic like this, right? Same thing. With Bitcoin, right? We were at that point. Now it's looking like Bitcoin did the other day, doesn't it? I mean, where it had almost that double top, right? Squeeze it in a little more, or go to your weekly chart. Is that the weekly? Wait, weekly? No, no. How do you do the weekly on this shit again? Oh, damn it.
Man,
Oh shit, taking off again.
Bam. There we go. Right.
Yeah, it's
So,
already back to 30.23.
what B? BTC,
Yeah,
my baby.
yeah, it's already back to 23.04.
That's what I'm talking about. 23. Yeah, I see it right here. Let's go. So, same thing is happening, right? Like, look, boom, there goes your double top, right? Had a reaction to it, right? This day came exactly here. Reacted one day, two, maybe three. And again, you got to remember, even though it's a wick, right? It didn't close the best, but it's still showing you that it came low, right? That it came to that point. Um, I mean, fuck, man. A breakout from this is another one, dude, that can easily start seeing next the 17,700 levels, right? Next point of resistance is that 2,000, bro. Back to 2K. Oof, that'll be a beauty, man. Damn it, dude. I missed out on this, and I was supposed to put some money down at 12K, man, and I forgot, like an a-hole. Forgot, man. But again, right? Like these are times now where it's just wait for a pullback. It might not be as strong if we are gonna continue a nice uptrend. It might not be something like this, right? Where it brings us back down to these levels. Might be, might not be. You never know with this market. But I mean, shit, man. If we do break out, then yeah, dude, we got some real nice levels that are about right here. Another strong one, like I said, right here to break. And those are, good points right there for you guys, bears, right? For your resistance points, these are good zones to look at. think another one would be the 21.5. But this is looking exactly, bro, like exactly like we had it on BTC, man. And look what happened to BTC, right? Double top forming. Bam, dude, just broke right through it like nothing, like a knife through butter. So, you know, if Bitcoin's still holding like this, if we can do a nice little cup and handle here, 25K, I'm telling you, don't be surprised if we see that real soon, gentlemen.
That's
Real
what I think.
soon.
If we continue to go back up.
Yeah, I mean, again, that's
Yeah, I see
anything's.
it very possible because that's the next spot. It's got to be.
Yeah, man. Right now, these 22 levels, I mean, it was never really, I want to look at a daily watch. I like these 22, 23 levels, not really strong, you know, supports like the 30 where it hits, numerous amount of times, right? And things happen, right? Once it breaks that zone, 30 is a 30, right? I mean, 23, it's hit it once, you know, they hit it once, right? Right there. Let me look to the left. Okay, no, yeah. So we have level about 24 2. So 24-ish, 20, 24 3, 24 4. You have a nice zone there, right? Back then, even right here at about 22. 23 is not really much. You have consolidation at 23, but not strong points, I want to say, right? Like where it really sees a nasty rejection like it did up here, like it did right here, 22. So might make a nice little beeline to 25, man. I'm telling you. Nah, I don't know, man. You never know. Again, you never know with this market, but like I said, anything is possible. Right now, we're looking good. Still holding our strong support. Oh, I want a nice breakout from here. Get that entry back. And maybe take a nice little TP around here if we can get that. And then it could go back down for Drew. So then Drew can make his money. Then we could both get out. And that's it. Yeah, guys, man, everything is looking decent, bro. This market is still looking good. Again, SPY is fucking making a turnaround, right? Even I was expecting some nice downside to this, but just one really strong, nasty, day of coming down, met
Dude,
with
this
like
morning
two
was
beautiful
disgusting.
recovery days. What was that?
You missed this morning, man. It was fucking bullshit.
Well,
It
what
just
happened this morning?
massively. Oh, dude, go look at Bitcoin. Like, okay, so we are climbing, just drops. Look at how quick it dropped over at 652.
This morning, six.
Yeah, I
Oh,
was,
this fucking spike. Oh yeah, I was doing that.
bro,
Boom,
I
and
was
then.
so pissed. I had just put it along in right when that happened.
Oh, brother, look, I did the same thing. I put it in right here, and
It's
I
like,
got this. But now this is saving my ass. Like this candle gate made me a believer again, even though these other three were kind of looking like, damn, it looks like that thing that what's it called? What is it? Three X's. That Theo was telling us. I
the
have.
3 drive.
Yeah, let me see if that's one of them. I want to see. It looks familiar.
Or I saw Sebastian
Oh,
talk
three
about
line
it.
X, three strikes. Oh, it is, it is. Look, because it's one, two, three red, right? If this one can close, be an engulfing candle, an engulfing, bullish engulfing candle, then that'll be the three, for it to come up. Supposedly, again, that's the indicator, right, or the candle system. But look, it's forming. It just has to wait these 19 minutes for it to close. And again, anything closed above that body, I think it'll still count it as that. So it looks good, man. It looks good if we can continue to hold from here, baby. Come on. Baby, come on. Baby, come on. Asia. Let me see. Asia opened up here. Oh, yeah. Squeeze, man. Getting tighter and tighter. God, I hope we get the break from the top and not the bottom, dude. Fuck me. Then London comes in and just continues to push it up. Bam, bam.
Yeah, we're almost done with the kill zone.
Yeah.
It's like right exiting it right now. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's at the very end of it.
Yeah, it's already losing momentum. 5 minute red. Boom. Stochastic already made the crossing. Yeah. So that's it, man. Again, this week I'm cautious. I don't even want to say I'm neutral. I don't want to say I'm bullish. I don't want to say I'm bearish. I'm cautious, bro, because damn, dude, like even daily wise, as long as it holds here, we're okay. Be still bullish, right? But if we break, man, and all it takes is one bad news, bro, and Bitcoin could easily have a fucking 5, 10K drop, right? Like especially from where we're
Yeah,
at. So, and then to
I'm
try to
scared of
catch
that.
that knife, try to catch that shit coming
Oh,
down, Brian. Oof, right? Like,
it'd
oh, ouch,
be
ouch,
nice.
ouch. Yeah, that should be sweet. That'd be real sweet, man. So just be cautious, man. Be cautious. Um, if we start to obviously still show this strong, strong momentum, continue to pour through and break through 22, 23-ish, right? Like if we really break this level, then shit, man. Look for really, that 25, man, and we might get some nice scalps from here, till then. But then look for a strong pullback, man. Like I want to say a strong again. Who knows, right? Like who knows how this thing will hit? It might be in one candle, right? Or it might be in 3-day candles. We might see again a nice, nice pullback. If it decides it wants to go to 30, by all means, again, we don't we're not fortune tellers. We don't know what's gonna happen. But if it does want to do that, then look for these breakout trades, right? Try to box these things in. Look for the support consolidation. As long as we're not breaking support, Brian is really good at identifying that, especially on the 1 minute. Right? Like look for these support. As long as they're not breaking these supports, then wait. Wait for that nice strong support entry. Um, Give it a shot, long it, right? And then even if you do longer, you're still putting stop loss right under, right? Like even from where I'm at,
Oh
man.
yeah, right at the bottom of the wicks, just a little bit down,
Yeah, hell
just
yeah,
in
that's
case.
it. Right there. Look, if you were long in this, right there would be a stop loss, right? If you're long in it here, right under that, right there, boom, stop loss. Not worried, you know. Minimizing the damage in case it does wants to come down, but if it doesn't, then shit, man. Beautiful play, strong support, next level. If it continues to run.
Uh, fucking Bitcoin. Fuck in Bitcoin.
Yeah, man. Oh yeah, man. She's if she wasn't so fucking popular, she'd be on the fucking list, bro, the shit list. But I love trading Bitcoin.
Right?
you know,
Yeah,
she's yeah, man. Ethereum. I don't know. I haven't traded Ethereum a lot lately. Before I was
I
kicking
like
ass
it.
on Ethereum.
It's just because I like it because it moves faster than Bitcoin. You can use the same leverage.
Hmm.
So, like, if Bitcoin's going down and it drops 2, sometimes Ethereum drops 4. And so that's a
Mhm.
whole, what the fuck? Sorry, a candle just like right in front of me.
Yeah, yeah. We're like in a little small bearish channel right now on Ethereum. I just like that, man. If this was Bitcoin, this would be down here. This would be up here. This would be down here. These, with this Ethereum, it's easy. And again, with high leverage, man, like this move right here would have been it, right? Nice little rejection off of that tunnel. Um, but shit, as long as it's not like Bitcoin, where it's just again, man, Bitcoin is too volatile sometimes. Very hard to predict. But this one makes stronger, safer moves. I want to say. Let me look at a few forexes real quick before I go.
Euro JPY is the one I'm looking at for a short. Look at
Euro,
the 30-minute on it.
Euro, JPY,
JPY.
and
Yeah,
bam! Oh hell yeah! Look at that trend
that's
right
what I'm
there.
looking at.
Yeah, right there. And then you got your little support, right? About right. I want to say here, almost here too. And then right here. Yeah. Yeah, I like that one, Brian. Shit.
Yeah, I thought you would. I was watching. I was like, I bet Kenny would like that.
Dude, that one is sweet. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put an alert if it breaks under this trend right here. Come back and look at it. Well, crossing down. Got a feel. Damn, I do like that one a lot, Brian. Shit, that one looks pretty.
Yeah, I figured I'd share it because I know you're trading forex more than anything, or not more than anything, but you're wanting to get more into forex, and that's one I had an eye on today.
Damn, that one looks beautiful too. Shit, man.
Right? It looks super good. Like, fuck.
It's really good. Like I keep going back to it. I'm like, this one looks good. Oh shit, man.
Like,
I think we should probably get on it then. Fuck, why not, right? 15. Let's get the
yeah.
5.
Where,
Let's see. Where's my phone?
GPY.
Call it, Brian.
Call it.
Me? No.
You can do it.
It's okay, Brian. I'll support you.
No word. Let me grab my Bing X. Let me grab my Bing X.
I'll be the test guinea pig.
Let's see where BingX wants to put my entry. Oh, okay. It's not too terrible. It put me at 141,688.
Oh, you already went in?
Yeah. I mean, that's just me risking it.
Got to
That's
risk it for the
crazy.
best.
I want to see it break this damn fucking support, man. It breaks support.
Losing momentum on the hour. We just got an RSI cross on the 30. We're about to switch momentums, possibly. I'm going for it.
You're like, you keep trying to convince me. I'm already going to go for it.
Are you going for a short?
Yeah, I'm at Euro GPY. Looks good.
Bam.
It looks
I
super
put an
solid.
alert. On the 5 minute we close under that support. I'm in there with you, bro.
On the 5 support, let me look at it. Oh yeah, we're right there. We're right there.
Bam, bam.
And you're talking about the 70141,702.
Yeah, I got 707. Yeah.
Okay.
41707. Yeah.
Yeah, if it breaks that, then it's good. Fuck you. 1 minute. I just looked at the 1 minute.
Jesus. But you fucking Drew. We flagging. AUD. Bam.
The 1 minute saying it's gonna go up possibly.
On the 5 minute, looks like it's pushing up. You might get lucky. It's just a retrace.
Oh, 5 minute. Yeah,
It is. I would probably enter like around.
Nah.
Nah.
I'm gonna wait now.
Oh,
I don't
there
know.
it is, Brian. There
Oh boy.
I hate me.
There
No,
it
it's just
is.
gonna drop. It's gonna drop a little bit now and retrace.
Oh, there she is, Brian. There she is. Damn, girl.
Ooh, shit.
Damn.
Here's the retrace.
Oh shit.
Nah, after this candle ends, it's gonna retrace to that gap you see, those two gaps.
FPG.
And then I would enter around there. Unless your stop loss is like really high.
Shit. Wow, there she goes.
So you think it goes up, fills that gap, and then goes back down? Drew?
I mean, it could still. I mean, sometimes it doesn't have to, but that's what I've been doing lately.
Oh, okay.
I usually wait like today when what happened today when Brian was looking at stuff. I went to Cello and I was just like I will enter a short at the gap and then it literally touched the gap and then it went back all the way down.
Oh, okay.
Well, Brian should be up. Shit.
I
Yeah.
closed.
Yes.
Don't forget to take your
What?
profit, Brian. Remember, I tell you it's gonna fill the gap.
I closed it already.
You closed. Oh,
Yeah.
Why?
Because I have no faith when I enter stuff. I'm just like going through it today.
it was today.
I
It
just
was.
sucked
I
at
was like,
trading. I couldn't
I
trade
warned
today.
you it was gonna fill the gap.
You totally could have banked on that one.
That's okay.
Look, it's dying even more right now.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Well, I'm just happy to have shared it.
Right. Oh, there she goes, Brian. Almost. Yeah, these fucking fills I'm being excited. They're horrible. I'm not gonna lie. It's fucking negative 2% every time, dude.
Yo,
Tag me
dude.
in profits. No.
It's like
I
there
hope
has
this
to be a
happens.
swing, bro. It has to be a swing for you to really not give a shit about the like negative 2%.
Yeah.
Galvin, bro, like that shit. -2, -3, bro.
Hopefully they fix it. Didn't you say, Kenny, that uh, Big Cat was kind of like that, and then eventually they fixed it, or they were able to like
The
make it
update.
better?
So yeah, apparently, with the update, it only works through that test flight, like the video that they uploaded. It works
Mhm.
through there because Apple is not letting like they haven't let Big X, they haven't let Big Get, they haven't let a few of these Bybit as well update ever since that whole thing happened with FTX. You know what I mean? So they're like
Um,
acting real sketchy about letting any exchange update their app. So these guys did the whole test flight thing, and it works, man. Like my problem was that every time I kept trimming, bro, like on really good trades, man, you know, I was like shorting up here, bro, trying to trim here. It would close the whole thing, and then I come back later, and it's like down here, right? So yeah, it was becoming a pain in the ass. So ever since I did the update, not once, brother, has done that. So I know it was that, you know. So
that's good.
definitely, yeah, it was definitely an upgrade that needed to be done on that. Come on. Okay, there she goes. Holding support still. Damn, a lot of these things, these forex just run different, bro. Resistance.
I wanted to go up and fill up that gap, and then come back.
On the euro.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
This was a good trend break. I like Brian's play. I'm gonna full port Brian. Gonna full port. This one, I swear, this one is always like number one when it comes to like running. Yeah, this is the one that runs like crypto, bro. Watch this bitch break off from the top.
Brian, you could have been rich.
I
AUD.
know.
Yo, look at GMT. He's dying. I need to die faster.
GMT.
You just don't know.
I'm still holding it. I haven't trimmed once.
What about Brian? Let me go.
Dude, these
I
guys got like
already
entries up
closed.
here and shit, man. Beautiful, man.
I already closed it.
No.
Yeah, already broke
Yeah.
that support. Beautiful play, guys. Beautiful play, man. Damn.
I got in at 6.4 last night and closed it after like 100%. I was like, that's good.
No.
Yeah, that's my emotions today. I'm just kind of over it today.
You gotta
I'm
leave the
just,
runners.
dude, I don't know how.
You don't know how. You just take profit. Take
It's
like
against my style. It's against my style.
What, to make money?
No, I just
well,
because I just in and out, in and out, in and out.
Yeah.
that was a low
Trust
blow.
issues. I have trust issues with it. Because half the time, like, I'll leave a runner and it'll be super fucking dope. And then, like, I check it again and then it closes. I'm like, God damn it. Like,
Bro,
you know, it's
so
like, why did I not just close altogether? I would have been up more.
just take 70% and then leave the rest of the 25%. And then if it closes, fuck it. If it, you already got like pretty much, all of it, all of the game.
My margins are different. Sometimes I'm 5%, 10%, mostly 5% though.
I'm different.
Stupid.
Goddamn.
I know my, problems. So
Oof, audio for the short. If we break supplies, I mean demand zone. Fuck it.
Oh, JPY is trying to push up a little bit.
Yeah, this market's funky today, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
yeah, I'm taking a beating today.
This market is funky town, bro.
Yeah, I'm almost back down to what I
Dumps.
started with. Because I didn't stick to the 3 losses you're out rule today, so that's why.
Yeah, I like that rule, man. That's one of my favorites, bro.
Yeah.
Shit saves
3
lives.
strikes, you're out.
Saves
Yeah,
lives.
I'm down. I'm down 139. It's like, fuck, man.
If you just full ported Euro JPY and then wrote it down, you would have made it back.
Bam, bam.
No. Is it moving down?
That's it.
No, it's going up.
I know.
Yeah, I run 200x when I do that stuff. I'd be like 20% down now on that or something. Yep. Well, it did look good at a time. I'm just going to hold this APT short until it goes back to $2. If it ever does. I was thinking we were going to die off this week. Hopefully, but I don't know. The momentum of it just keeps going and going, but slowly dying out.
Facts, man. Yeah, man. This market is just, again, man, it's looking
like, if you look on the
bro.
The 30-minute is just like, yikes. It's like, I'm up, I'm down, I'm up, I'm down, I'm up,
Yeah.
I'm down.
Oh, yeah. AVAX, look at that. Bam. There she goes. She's about to run. Run, Forrest.
AVAX, that should pop out around like, let me go look at it. What was the last high? It was like 25 when we were at like 18.
Yeah. About 20. Let's see.
Yeah, it was 20, and then it was 21, 8, and then over here, 30 at 1.
About 20, yeah. 20 and then 29. Yeah, man. Damn, it's coming back though. Shit. Nice little breakout from 20. We break that 20 level. Nice little run up to from 20 to 30. I'd fuck with that. On the retest. Damn, everything looks yeah, I'm sorry. Everything looks bullish as fuck, man. Damn, dude, I need fucking Bitcoin to wake the fuck up then, dude. Everything looks nice, man. Like everything is holding trend like crazy, bro.
Damn, I need stuff to die already.
Bro, this market doesn't want to, man. That's the crazy shit.
Yeah,
Like,
I think here's the retrace.
Bro, even I started getting used to fucking shorting with you guys and playing shorts, and dude, it just doesn't want to, bro. This market's doing crazy, man. Does not want to die.
Look, watch, AVAX is about to die in 2 seconds.
Don't say that. Goonies never say die.
Now I want a Snickers.
Hey, you guys.
Yeah.
Brian, do the trouble.
I don't have that much of a belly. I'm only $1.60. I just weighed myself at the doctor's. I'm a buck 60.
It's okay. Just like put a basketball in there and then do it.
I'm in my kitchen, but I can hear you.
Bam. So, you know what? I'm actually gonna look at a fucking AVAX breakout, maybe?
I don't want to go
Yeah.
get a pizza. I think I might go buy a pizza right now. I'm fucking hungry. Go cry. Go cry and eat a whole pizza.
Little $7, baby.
How's our euro doing? Oh shit. No, that's not.
Going back down.
Yes.
I could have had 2 pizzas if you would have wrote it down.
No, that's like not even a. That's like a 5% move.
On 200X though?
Oh, actually, that's 220% right
Yo, hold
there.
on, let me grab
Almost.
You could have had like 2 of the most bestest pepperonis or like at least the 5 meat feast on those 2.
Yeah, but it would put my entry if I tried to do anything right. I'd put it at like 14.5. I have the worst luck when it comes to it. My entries are so shit sometimes. It's either I'm sniping the top or I'm just getting bad at the worst time possible. Or getting in. Fuck, I am hungry though. I might go buy a pizza. Because, I don't want to eat any of the food that I have here.
Yeah, why would you want to do that?
I got some
Hey,
crackers.
don't you always say you get like eat salmon or whatever?
Yeah, I have a bunch of fillets in the kitchen, but I kind of want a pizza today.
There you go. Salmon pizza.
It's my week. It's my day off. I'm not having a cheat day. It was my day off yesterday, and I still worked.
Damn.
Yeah. Because I put a vacation day in, and I still came in.
Gotta make that money.
Mm-hmm. Especially with the spending I've been doing.
Bro, so easy to fucking spend, right? So hard to fucking save.
Mm-hmm.
Ugh.
Like, I know my check's going to be around like $1,200, and I already have like 800 of it spent.
Goddamn.
Yeah, 400 is for a bill. I owe my roommate $100. Then I owe
Yo,
my boss
guys,
$100.
look at this coin I longed. It's
What
called
one?
T. I got in at 29.
You mean Ton?
Yeah.
No, recording still.